Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to compare my secret paint recipe with the paint which I brought from shop. You're seeing my hand, right? How it's this is the effect of this paint, okay? I'm going to compare this both, okay? First I am going to show how it work on paper. Afterwards I will say more about my secret paint. Okay. First I will show how it work on paper. Okay, I have brought the things. See, first I need palette, two brush and paper. Now I will show how this work. Okay, this is my this is the paint which I brought from shop. First we can pour it. Okay, see, this is very much like, it's very much like gum. It's okay, actually this is made from gum only. I have done this color because I have already this magenta color. Oh, sorry. See, same, you are looking the paint, right? It looks same. This I brought from shop, but this I done in home. No one can believe this. This is the secret recipe. We can first try. This is you're seeing this, right? This is the paint which I done. And now we can see how this paint works. This is very much thin. If you add oil to it, even this also looks like this, but I didn't need oil, so I done like this. I need hard one. This is very much watery. You saw it, right? How this paint is. See? Okay, even this looks very nice also. This looks same as poster color. Even you can use this for glass paint and all. Even it looks awesome. If you need, even I will make a video on how to make glass paint using this paint. Please comment below. Now I will say more about my secret recipe. You are seeing, sorry, this is poured. Okay, now it's good, right? So I will say about this paint now. Actually this paint I didn't done from any sketch pen or you may think nail polish. I didn't use anything, or I didn't even use a turmeric powder. If you use turmeric powder, no, it doesn't look this much good. Okay, this is the secret recipe. I didn't share this with anyone still. This is a secret recipe, and in this I should make two videos. First I should say you that how to make one paste. I think everyone know. I will say it now only. Just the paste is like glue and what we put powder, that paste is there. I think if you don't know, I will make the video on it and I will show how to make it. The first video is to make paste, and afterwards the next video is to add 5 rupees ingredient. Only 5 rupees. This is the specialty in this. Only 5 rupees ingredient we should add for this. Okay, you can make any color, no matter pink or what. We can make any color paint using that 5 rupees ingredient. That 5 rupees ingredient is available in all color. You may think, if you know, you may comment. Okay, some if you know, you may comment. Or this video I am going to reveal when I reach 500 subscribers. Okay, if you want to reveal this secret paint, subscribe my channel soon. If you don't want, I will upload very nice good ideas of art and craft. You may see it. Thank you for watching my channel. Have a good day. You're seeing this, right? I done with my paint only. Even if you know one important thing, even for 10 rupees I am going to make oil paint. Okay, this is coming soon. Sorry for background noises. When I reach this, I am going to reveal this secret paint. After reaching 1K, I am going to reveal homemade oil paint with only 10 rupees. Thank you for watching.